that Sega basically had Xbox Game Pass in 1994? It was called the Sega Channel, and the way it worked was you would connect your Genesis directly to the internet and download games with a monthly subscription. Sound familiar? Now, of course, there were some limitations. First and foremost, it was a fairly expensive service at a time where very few people had internet. But if you did have a coax line to the internet, you actually could just straight up download games. Now, it didn't actually save the games. Instead, it actually loaded them up into the RAM, which meant that as soon as you turned off the Genesis, you lost the game and you had to re-download it the next time you booted it all up. But it actually worked. There were a ton of very unique games that were only ever available on the Sega Channel. And when they turned off the service in 1998, these were lost forever. At least until someone recently actually recovered a bunch of these games and released them, which is an incredibly cool way of looking at how the Genesis and Sega were way ahead of their time.